If you're new to yard maintenance, it could all seem a little overwhelming. Here are 4 easy tasks to make you feel at home when working outside. Number 1, mowing the lawn. One rule of thumb, never cut the grass when it's wet, or you risk leaving unsightly ruts. In terms of height, 3 to 3.5 inches is acceptable for most grasses. You should never cut more than 1/3 of the grass blade during one mow. Number 2, fertilize your lawn. Fertilization is important for a green and healthy lawn. Use a broadcast spreader to sprinkle the fertilizer on your lawn. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer bag for the recommended flow setting. And when in doubt, use less than you think you'll need. Number 3, scarifying your lawn. Mow your lawn a week before you plan to scarify. Water a couple of days so the grass is lightly moist. Use a dethatching rake to remove the layer of debris on the top layer of your lawn. Be very gentle to avoid pulling up the grass itself. Number 4, watering. An essential part of maintaining your landscape, of course, is watering. Water at least 3 times a week and aim for 1/3 of an inch during each session. Adjust your schedule according to the weather to make sure your lawn gets the proper amount.